No jumping or gear required, just a pair of skates. Starting off, we're going to do sticky skating, but we're going to turn and lean one side to another, kind of like a figure eight. This teaches you your edges. Sticky skating is keeping all your wheels on the ground, and then you just point your toes whatever direction you want to go. We're just going to roll in a staggered stance backwards. One foot in front, one behind. You want to bend your knees and sit into your hip, point your back leg, butt cheek the direction you want to go, and look behind you over that same shoulder. These are standing crossovers. You're not leaning into them. You're just picking up one foot and putting it in front of the other and crossing over, alternating each foot. You can practice this standing in place. Just cross over one foot in front of the other, and then practice with the other leg. Keep your arms out for extra balance. Rolling into side stance is just doing this little half circle. To get into this stance, you're going to point your toe and your knee out, with your heel pointed toward the center, and then match the other heel to heel with your toe out the opposite direction. Sit into it, and then choose a direction to push your momentum through as you're rolling into it to make that half circle. And last, we're going to practice alternating switch stance. Most skaters have a preference for what foot is their lead foot, the foot that they put forward. Practice alternating your weight from one foot to the other, putting one foot in front, one foot behind. You're going to want to squat down, put one foot in front, and then load up your weight on the foot behind you. And then just switch which foot is in front, alternating loading the weight from one foot to the other and switching your stance. Hope you enjoyed these little drills. Tag me in your videos if you try them. Have fun skating!